I figured it out. I'm a little behind you, my bad. Oh, you are pink.
That's okay. We need team collaboration.
You're metrosexual. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Freeze?
Oh, Lord. Sorry.
Okay.
It's a little heavy.
Lower?
Oh,
Why is your
God.
cat, like, tripping? What's happening?
Oh, my God.
What are you doing?
Oh, God.
Okay, drop on 3. 1, 2, 3,
sorry.
drop.
Perfect.
Ah!
Excellent.
Why were you moaning?
Oh, do we need to use them as ramps now?
Yeah, now we have to do it again. I'm a terrorist.